So I'm going to show you how to scan documents on your Galaxy A27 5G. Now the easiest way to do this and the most practical way is to use Google Drive. So just go to Google Drive on your phone, and if you don't have Google Drive, then you can simply go to the Google Play Store and have it installed. Once installed, you can now go to the plus symbol and then select scan. And then it's going to ask for permission to access your camera. You need to give it permission. And now it's open up a document scanner. Now what you need to do is simply place your document on a flat surface and then put your phone on top of it and make sure it scans the entire page. Try to keep your phone and the document as flat as possible. So you can see it's already scanned that page. I can now tap on the plus symbol to scan another page. So this particular document has 2 pages, so I'm just going to scan the other page quickly. It's actually a 2-page document. So once it gets scanned like that and it's completely straight, I have page 1 and page 2. All I need to do now is click on next. Then it's gonna give me the option to upload to Google Drive, and then I can choose which format. Now since it's a document, I want it as PDF, so I'm gonna select PDF. I can rename this PDF and then choose where I want it saved. So there are different locations I can choose inside my Google Drive account. So I'm just gonna put it on my drive and then click on upload. Now that's going to upload that document as a PDF document into my Google Drive. And with the upload complete, if I need it on my phone, I can simply go ahead and download it, and it's going to get downloaded onto my phone. I should be able to access it in the My Files app. So inside the internal storage, if I go to my downloads folder, I should find my document here, and it's a PDF document. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.